Learn the secrets of managing over 50 properties in just 6 months. Stay with me, and I'll show you how to turn your Airbnb dreams into reality. Welcome to Airbnb Pro Insights. In this series, we share the journey from being broke and stuck in dead-end jobs to managing more than 50 properties in just half a year. If you want to learn how to do it, hit that follow button and let's dive in. It wasn't always like this. We were once broke, working small jobs that paid almost nothing. Living paycheck to paycheck, feeling stuck and desperate for a way out. Nights were spent worrying about the future, wondering if we'd ever find a way to break free from poverty. One day, we stumbled upon Airbnb and saw an opportunity. We decided to give it a try, starting with one small property. Focusing on creating an exceptional experience for guests, word spread quickly. That's when everything changed. But it wasn't just luck. It was a lot of hard work and learning. We immersed ourselves in learning everything about Airbnb, attending workshops, reading countless books, and watching every tutorial available, learning the hacks that transformed listings and boosted bookings. With relentless effort and dedication, we broke free from the matrix of small jobs and poverty. After 6 months of hard work, we were no longer the people we used to be. With a strong team by our side, our business was on autopilot. Success was everywhere, and we were earning like never before. All from the comfort of our home. Networking was key. Attending local events, reaching out to property owners, and building strong relationships. Soon, we were managing multiple listings. In just 6 months, the portfolio expanded to over 50 properties across different cities. It's not just about quantity. It's about quality. Every property is carefully selected and meticulously managed to ensure top-notch service. There was a time when we helped a property owner turn their underperforming listing into a top-rated gem. With a few strategic changes, like professional photography and optimized descriptions, bookings skyrocketed. Another client saw a 200% increase in revenue after following our advice. These success stories aren't unique. They're the result of proven strategies that anyone can implement, and we're here to teach you how. Tip number 1. Invest in professional photography. High-quality images attract more guests. Tip number 2. Optimize your listing description with key details and local attractions. Tip number 3. Always respond to guest inquiries promptly. Great communication leads to better reviews. Want more tips? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and follow our journey. Together, we can achieve Airbnb success. Follow and subscribe because we add value to your life with our content. Don't miss out on the next episode, where we dive even deeper into the secrets of Airbnb success. See you soon.